Hello, in this video we will be disassembling a CSE pneumatic diaphragm valve. Begin by hooking up the air supply, applying air supply to retract the disc into the actuator housing. At this point we're going to need to release some of the air supply in order to bring the diaphragm disc back to the point where we can get it out. Removing the bolts. Once the bolts have been removed, we're ready to pull the lower body housing off the upper body. Release the air supply in order to get the gasket back off, along with the disc. Unscrew the disc from the gasket. Use pliers to unscrew the stem from the actuator. Disconnect air supply, complete. Once the retention clip has been removed, remove the body of the actuator, pull off the spring, pull piston from upper body, and remove gasket from upper body. Remove O-ring from inside of upper body, and remove O-ring from piston. Finally, remove the O-ring from the housing of the actuator. And that's it.